Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX intraday. So basically today in the daily live stream we said of course that Nasdaq is a little bit finding some complex structure here, but it is probably finishing as an ending diagonal, and that because of the characteristic of the zigzag that we see here. This is not a internal impulse that it can finish a wave 5, and already we don't see any 5 waves, right? So therefore we cannot call a finished wave 5 yet, unless of course we are looking to something like a zigzag wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And here we go. We are looking at of course higher prices from there and unfolding probably a wave 3 toward the upside in an ending diagonal, potentially having for 5 later on. So I would say this is the highest possibility right now for Nasdaq, where we are finishing several 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now I know that this looks already like almost a diagonal, but yeah, basically we are looking anyway for several 1, 2s here, and therefore of course you need several 4, 5, 4, 5, which should reflect anyway of course the several 1, 2s. And before moving for wave 4, main wave 4, I would say one more high is very potential for Nasdaq before moving towards the downside. So this is for Nasdaq. Regarding SPX, I'm still looking of course at this potential wave 5 finishing. However, I think it's very close to be done and finished, guys. So I think yeah, one more high has been given. That would be even much nicer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Well, anyway, it looks like already kind of like a diagonal as well, but very extended wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So very close to be done and finished anyway. And we have said, okay, that it might start the move toward the downside sooner or later. I think that this cannot unfold something very big like wave 1, 2 here. I don't think so. I think that, okay, it can still have one more leg, maybe a little bit higher. But yeah, this wave 4 is calling, and I think, of course, it might start to move toward the downside sooner or later. One more high, it doesn't make any difference anyway. If you take a look at a bigger view, you already see that the ending diagonal is already given, so the wave 5 can be very probably finished very soon and start the move toward the downside for wave 4 in this blue scenario. And then of course having one more wave 4 and a 5, and then of course to finalize of course the main impulse in the yellow count here as a 4 and a 5. So basically those are the updates, and nothing really major happened today. The price is too slow as well. But yeah, basically nothing has surprised me. It's still, of course, working perfectly as expected. A little bit higher would be also not bad. It wouldn't hurt, but I think this will be, of course, given very soon once we finish this structure here. All right, that was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.